Good evening sa inyong lahat. This is Claudine Barreto. And if in 15 minutes my children are not here, I am going to go after Marisol or Maria Solita Acap for kidnapping my children in 15 minutes if she is not here. Again, my right hand, my PA, together with some fans, na-trace na po ng NBI. Okay, this is not a joke. This is very serious. Marisol, ibalik mo ang mga anak ko dito. Kanina ka pa dapat nasa Katipunan. Inaantay ka na ng NBI dito. At sa lahat ng Team Baliwag, whose loyalty is supposed to be mine, please come clean. Again, if in now 14 minutes, wala pa, that is already kidnapping. Marisol Acap. Bring my children now. Dahil huling-huli na kayo ng Team Baliwag group mo sa GC with my Claudinians. Slandering my name, destroying me, and using my children, extorting money from my fans, from KNL. Rosie, I am so not mad at you. I am so disappointed with you. Kung nasaan man lugar kayo, lahat dyan may NBI. At ipatatawag po kayong lahat. You are slandering my name. This is privacy ko. Inilabas ninyo. And you say you are loyal. Why? I am giving you 10 more minutes. 15, 14. From now on, nakikiusap ako sa lahat ng mga Claudinians to stay away from Maria Solita Acap or Marisol Acap. She is not to be trusted. I have all the evidence with me. And I will deal with her. And you know who you are? Hindi ka talaga titigil hanggat di mo ko mabaliw o mapatay. Nanay ako ng mga anak mo. If anything happens to me, especially sa fiesta ng Jensan, alam nyo na po, 2 tao lang ang gumagalaw. So, I'm so hurt, I'm disappointed, I'm upset with some of the Claudinians. Because what? You're scared of this person who has no power over me. And this person is in connivance with someone who wants me dead. Hindi ho to biro. So please pray for my safety and stay away from Marisol Acap. I suggest, please, come clean yung Baliwa group of Ladinians. Because I have all the recordings, I have all the evidences, and the NBI is supporting me with this. At ikaw, malalaki na ang mga anak ko. Magkita tayo sa Vauci. You want me dead? Dahil hindi kita binabalikan? Bring it on. Bring it on. Multuhin ka sana ng nanay at tatay mo.